Today, we decided to gather here as a follow-up of what His Excellency the Governor promised you people on 1st of May. We were all gathered at the stadium and we got the instructions because the Governor means well for you. We know you have stayed like this for a while, and today is your day. The Governor assured you that by the end of this month, this job will be done so that those who qualify or those who are the right people can be put in the payroll. Remember, there were issues surrounding your appointments. There was excessive recruitment, and that needed to be sorted out. There are people who have been around since 2014, wengine 2015, wengine 2017, wengine 2018, others 2019, and the majority of you 2022. And you have not been the payroll. The Governor promised that this will be looked into and the right people actually put in the payroll. Remember, issues payroll are issues of money. So if there is no money, then it becomes difficult to put people in the payroll, particularly if there are issues surrounding the appointment. I want to confirm to you this morning that with ECD teachers, director, through the minister, we now have the right list. So they didn't take us through the process. They were able to clean it and we have it. Then we are ready to sort it out and bring them back and recommend that they be put in the payroll. And for you, under your leadership, Osoro, I do expect that we shall have the right number. There is no way the government can give authority for 42 instructors, and for some reason, you have now 50. Who has given the authority of 8? That's what we want to look at and sort it out once and for all. Vile Waziri amesema, we will not want to come back to deal with these issues again. We want to finish with you today and make sure we sort your issues out. Remember, we are not recruiting, we are only verifying. We are checking if things are right. If you know your papers are not right, colleagues, I'm addressing you as colleagues because I've been a civil servant. Please, toroka na mapema. Tuko pamoja? Toroka na mapema? Manake mimi sijui kwako na kwenu, mimi sitakuja. But if you bring yourself here, make sure you come with clean hands so that we are able to sort these issues out. We purpose to take at the shortest time possible. Commissioners will be divided into 2. And fortunately, we have your instructors. Hakuna kudanganya. We have Robert is here. Am I right? Cecilia Nyanguru, you are there, isn't it? So they are all here. So they will check for us. And if your papers are wrong, we will not do anything. I mean, we will simply be firm and tell you it's not possible. So this morning, the government wants to ensure that things are done, and they're done quickly, so that as soon as possible, you are into the payroll. If we get problems, teachers, if we get problems, we will put your case aside and we will do nothing about it. And for Machache, I want to assure one more time, the government means well. We will do the right thing. We shall be firm. We shall not discriminate, and we shall not mess with your lives. But if for any reason you are not in the final list that goes to the payroll, all is not lost. Don't fight. Those whose documents are okay will proceed. But those that have issues, we will have to handle you later and see how best to sort out your issues. Sometimes you may have been given a letter without you realizing why and how. Some of you got letters without getting through interview, isn't it? You didn't pass through interviews. That's what we do. We have the short list, we have the long list, so we know what to do. I hope you are equipped with your documents so that today tumalize hii maneno. Sini sawa sawa? Be orderly, you are civil servants, hakuna fujo. Tukikwambia leta hii, unaleta, fanya namna hii, unafanya, enda nyumbani, unaenda. Kwa hivyo usikatae kwenda kwa gate ukisema wewe enda. Usianze vita. Let us be peaceful so that this government gets to do things right. Makosa yakuwa yetu, but we are government is there in perpetuity, we will solve these things. Kwa hayo machache, I want to wish you all the best. From here, you will be guided by the Secretary, Mr. Alfred Moreka.
Chairman of the Service Board, commissioners who are present, and other officers working in the county governments. Amjambo tena. Amjambo. I've been looking for somebody who cried in my office. I can't recall him. You know him? Is he around? Yes. You know, Chairman, these people, some of them literally cried in my office. And I've been saying that there's nothing I can do until the service board is in place. And now today, I don't expect that you'll be called here for another meeting. Let's say the truth, so that as we go out of this gate, we know that our names are safe, our names will be in the payroll, and in case your name does not appear today, still the Public Service Board will have something to do. You have been with us for a long time, we'll see what to do. You know, you are dealing with Your Excellency, all my officers have been teachers. Director ECD, this is a former teacher. Director of ECD has been a teacher. Then my chief officer has been a teacher. They know what to do with other teachers. Mnanisikiliza? So they will assist you if you say the truth. And I don't see why you should not say the truth. Na kama kuna shida ile kubwa ambao wewe sema, afadhali hata utoke uende kabisa polepole tu. Hatutakufuata nyumbani, lakini itakuwa shida tukianza kungangana na wewe kwa sababu you are not saying the truth. That will move us to another step. It's my humble request that Chairman, we are giving you these people. Let the team go through what they want to do so that their problem is solved. Mwanjenga magana yairero. Are you ready?
Yes.
Say the truth then.
My name is Magutu Kennedy, Director ECD. My people are not here. They were here previously, but we had to sort the things out. And I think for the two, when you compare the two directorates, I think we are one step ahead because we have already made our list. My plea to you is speak the truth and it can set you free. Don't fake yourself, be original, na usilete watu wengine tabu. May God bless you.
I assure you that you are good people and you are going to be good forever. Today is your day, and what we are asking from you is the plain truth. Please, whatever you ask is something, just say the truth. The truth will set you free, as my director has said, and all that will place you somewhere. Otherwise, thank you. We know you've been undergoing a very painful experience. Some of you have lost their spouses because of this, but God is going to stand with us today, and we shall be somewhere. Welcome, feel at home.
To appreciate the response of the county because sometimes back, a few months ago, we were at the stadium. We demanded for teachers to be employed on permanent and pensionable. That is easy. We went a notch higher and we asked them. He has told you, we have written more than threats about it. You see, the two groups are very crucial. The ECD, they lay the foundation. And you know, a strong house must start with the foundation. And TVET gives skills. You are the people who are going to give various skills to our people so that you empower them. And so, you are also very crucial on what they are doing today, that verification. When I look at you, all of you, you are going to qualify. Honestly. And I wanted to tell the chairman, a teacher cannot have fake documents. A teacher cannot have fake documents. And so I know after this exercise, you are all going to qualify and get stations so that you can empower our young ones. Let me tell you, from where I come from, I've looked for a plumber for many years. Hakuna. And what we are encouraging our young ones, wacha wajifundisha kazi ya mikono. They underrate it, but where we are headed to, hii kazi ya mikono ndio iko na faida mingi. And you know, somebody soils his hands, but at the end of the day, how much does he earn? Quite a lot. I know. If you are going to get this opportunity, please give those skills to the young ones so that they can help our community and by extension, they help our county. I know you have come from various parts of this county. Feel most welcome. This is the headquarters and I'm the executive secretary in Kisii Central, Kisii County. I was accompanied with my treasurer. This is the branch treasurer, and we felt, having pushed this thing up to yesterday, we sat with him for 2 hours. He was telling us what is going to happen here. So in solidarity, we have come to give you that moral support, and I assure you that all is well. Let the county give you this opportunity so that in turn, you also get something. When I look at you, you are all parents. I'm a Sifo. Even if you are shorter than me, you are a parent.